Slides identified by high power. Blood elements, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and blood platelets. Leukocytes are either granular leukocytes like neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, or non-granular leukocytes as lymphocytes and monocytes. Other blood elements are blood platelets, nerve endings in skeletal muscles, muscle spindles, and pacinian corpuscles. Blood film stained with Leishman by high power showing RBCs, blood platelets, and various leukocytes. Granular leukocytes, neutrophils, with specific neutrophilic granules in the cytoplasm and multi-lobed nucleus, may contain more than 2 lobes. Eosinophils, with specific eosinophilic granules in the cytoplasm and bilobed nucleus, mostly horseshoe-shaped. Basophils, with specific basophilic granules in the cytoplasm and irregular nucleus, mostly S-shaped. Non-granular leukocytes. Lymphocytes have spherical, large, darkly stained nucleus and basophilic non-granular cytoplasm. Monocytes have eccentric, kidney-shaped nucleus and basophilic non-granular cytoplasm. Blood platelets are disc-shaped structures with central granular basophilic portion, chromomere, and peripheral lightly stained portion, hyalomere. Muscle spindle. It is present between transverse section of ordinary skeletal muscle fibers with peripheral flattened nuclei. It is an oval shape covered with capsule containing modified, slightly larger muscle fibers, intrafusal muscle fibers. Pacinian corpuscle, high power. It is a large, thickly capsulated nerve ending, oval in shape, covered with a thick connective tissue capsule, formed of concentric lamellae of flat cells. The naked nerve ending ends in a small expansion. It looks like a sliced onion. Other slides identified by high power are epithelium. Simple epithelium formed of one layer of cells. Simple squamous epithelium, an example, Bowman's capsule. Simple cubical epithelium, an example, thyroid follicles in thyroid gland. Simple columnar epithelium, an example, epithelial lining, the gallbladder. Stratified epithelium formed of several layers of cells. Stratified squamous keratinized epithelium, an example, the skin. Stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, an example, epithelial lining, the esophagus. Transitional epithelium, an example, epithelial lining, the ureter. Glandular epithelium, an example, the pancreas. Neuroepithelium, an example, taste buds in the tongue. Organelles, membranous organelles. Golgi apparatus in nerve cells stained with silver. Golgi apparatus in epididymis stained with silver and hematoxylate. Golgi apparatus in epididymis stained with silver. Non-membranous organelles. Nasal granules in nerve cells stained with tloidium blue. Inclusions. Glycogen granules in liver cells stained with periodic acid chief reaction. Pass. Simple epithelium formed of one layer of cells. classified according to the shape of the cells into several types. Simple squamous epithelium, one layer of flat cells with flattened nuclei. An example, epithelial lining Bowman's capsule in the kidney. Simple cubical epithelium, one layer of cubical cells with central rounded nuclei. An example, epithelial lining thyroid follicles in thyroid gland. Simple columnar epithelium, one layer of columnar cells with basal oval nuclei. An example, epithelial lining gallbladder. Stratified epithelium formed of several layers of cells, classified according to the shape of the top layer into several groups. Stratified squamous keratinized epithelium, several layers of cells with flat top layer covered by keratin or horny layer. An example, the skin. Stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, several layers of cells with flat top layer not covered by keratin. An example, the esophagus. Transitional epithelium, several layers of cells with non-clear basement membrane, a large superficial top layer which may be binucleated. Glandular epithelium is specialized for secretion. An example, pancreas. Glandular epithelium is present in the exocrine and endocrine part of the pancreas. The exocrine acini are lined by dark pyramidal cells, while the endocrine part, formed of islets of Langerhans, appear as scattered large pale areas. Neuroepithelium is specialized for perception of stimuli. An example, taste buds present in tongue papillae covered by stratified squamous epithelium. Organelles. Membranous organelles. Golgi apparatus in nerve cells stained with silver. Appears as irregular brown network surrounding the unstained nucleus. Golgi apparatus in epididymis stained with silver and hematoxylin. Appears as irregular dark brown network in the apical part of the cell between the nucleus and the free surface. Golgi apparatus in epididymis stained with silver. Appears as irregular brown network in the apical part of the cell between the nucleus and the free surface. Non-membranous organelles. Nisser's granules in nerve cells stained with ptyloidium blue. Inclusions. Glycogen granules in liver cells stained with pescarmine or periodic acid Schiff. Pass. Liver cells radiate as sun rays from the central vein and contain glycogen granules which appear red in color after staining with pescarmine and purple in color after staining with periodic acid Schiff.